Hello, dear teacher and classmates. I am Andrés Felipe Zúñiga Ladino. I am 29 years old. I live in San Pedro, Valle del Cauca. I live with my parents. I work in Tebapan 500 in San Pedro too. I have a girlfriend and I don't have children. I study zootechnics. In my free time, I like to listen to music, bike riding, and watch movies too. Restaurant in the city where I live. Yerba Buena is nice, calm, beautiful place. The food is very delicious and it's expensive. There you can try national and international food. The food is varied, from chicken soup and vegetables, meat with exquisite sauces. There's dessert and some Mexican food. The service is excellent. The people are very polite and friendly. I like that you come here because you enjoy a lot, eat a lot. Thanks.